Hey guys, it's Zane. Wanted to talk about why you should treat law school the same way you treated undergrad when it comes to studying. Why you should implement the same studying methods that you implemented in undergrad and law school, pretty much, right? And the reasoning for this is a lot of people ask me and want to know once they get into law school, they're like, how should we study? And I always say, look, you already know how to study. You've been doing it for about 16 years or longer, right? Maybe you have a master's degree, right? Maybe you have another degree, maybe another doctorate, whatever. Maybe you've been doing it longer. So you already know how to do it. You've been doing it for that long. At a minimum, at least 16 years, guys. All right? So what is it that you need to know? Like, I don't understand the question. Why are you asking how to study in law school, right? Nothing changes in law school, guys. Nothing switches up. Everything is the same. You study the same way you studied in undergrad, and you apply the same things you studied in law school. All right? You can make flashcards in law school, right? You can read instead of reading your textbook, you can read the case book if you want to. Everything's the same, guys. Everything's the same. But what I will say is in law school, you got to study smarter than you did in undergrad because law school's reading is a little bit more challenging than it is in undergrad or whatever, right? Or different schools. So, instead of reading everything, what you do is you read different methods. You read summaries, you read case briefs, you read this, you read that. You don't change anything how you study. You don't change your habits. All right? You don't change what you did to be successful, right? If you know you have to go to the library and study, you still go to the library and study. If you know you have to study a certain amount of hours per day, you study a certain amount of hours per day using smart materials, as in you're studying smarter, not harder, okay? It's the same thing, but you're studying smarter, right? You're not sitting there reading the case book, reading a whole bunch of cases. Instead, you're reading supplements, spending the same amount of time you would. Let's say you study usually 6 hours, 7 hours a day. You're still studying 6 to 7 hours a day, but you're using prep materials that are helping you succeed. Instead of reading the case book for 6, 7 hours a day, and the next thing you know is you still didn't understand anything and you still have a lot of stuff to cover. So, you already know how to study. You've been doing it for a while. If you make flashcards, you make flashcards. If you watch videos, you watch videos. Yes, there are videos available in law school about your cases. There's animations. There's everything. And if you have any questions, you can get to me and ask me. My email's listed in the description and in this video. So, nothing switches up, guys. Nothing switches up. Your methods are still the same. You're doing everything you should be. You're doing your readings. You're doing your multiple choice questions. You're doing your practice essay questions like you did in undergrad or wherever. And everything's the same. All right, guys? So if you have any additional in-depth questions, go ahead and send me an email. Write a comment in the video and I'll make a video about your question. All right? Peace, guys. I am out.